Hello guys! Welcome back! So, this time na ako nakapag-vlog ulit dahil nga, grabe guys, napaka-busy ko ngayon dahil kakastart nga lang ng ating construction. And then of course, we need to prepare all the materials. Nag-hands-on ako ngayon, nagkukuha kung saan kami kukuha ng mga materials, mga electronics and everything para sa mga cement. Alam nyo na no, kung nagpatayo kayo ng bahay kubo kahit monte, alam nyo na kailangan kung ano yung mga kailangan ay prepare. Lahat ng mga gamit, of course. And then, ayun na nga, wala akong masyadong time na mag-vlog-vlog, mag-tik-tik-tik-tik. So, as you observe in the last few days in January, mga almost after naming naglanding dito sa Pilipinas is, ayun na nga yun, pumutok na yung, ganun pala yung nangyari sa aming mini resort update sa Dudkoski Resort na pinapagawa namin. But anyways, ngayon ay very good news na dahil kami na yung nag-handle lahat. Kami na yung nagbibili ng mga materials, kami na yung nag-hire ng kami na yung nagbabayad ng mga tao namin na hinahire. So, we have the right and left na sa kanila kung ano yung ipapagawa namin. And of course, about sa materials, kami na mismo yung nag-order and everything. So, what I did is, nagko-connect na lang ako sa mga supplier kasi yung mga supplier para hindi ako masyadong malakihan. Alam nyo naman na pag mag-order tayo is maramihan. So, I connected to them. So, I have the discount also. And I guess I found the right person. And I'm so happy that one of the supplier here, Gerald Lumber, I guess, yeah, Gerald Lumber shop, somewhere here in Valencia. He really helped us a lot. And here's Michal.
I talked with the owner. Our apartment, and he changed the mind, and we can stay to end of our
stay here in the Philippines.
Yes.
Wow. Good news. So we will not keep on transferring here and to the other apartment. So thank you so much for that. Yeah, I'm so happy that we will not change our apartment. So anyway guys, it's 6 days. 6 days na nag-start tayo up ng ating construction. Punta pala tayo ngayon sa job site. So tingnan natin kung ano yung mga new update, kaya nga matagal ko na kayong hindi pa na-tour or napakita yung ating yung ating mga new update everyday, kasi pangit naman everyday ko kayo i-update, no? So 6 days ito yung nagawa nila after kaming iniwan ng aming contractor. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung anong tawag nito? Mga nagawa nila for 6 days ha. Ika 6 days pa ngayon. So, mga 5 days. But anyways, happy na kami ngayon dahil nga napasa amin na talaga yung lupa, yung pinag-anuhan ng aming contractor, pinagtayuan ng aming Dudkoski Resort pohon, yung ating Dudkoski Resort. Hopefully, yung ating mini Dudkoski Resort ay okay na pohon before tayo aalis sa Pilipinas, pabalik ng Poland. So, kung nagtatanong kayo, for good na ba kami dito sa Pilipinas? No. Hindi pa kami magpo-for good dito. Alam niyo naman na meron akong steps, si Alexander. Of course, we need to go back there. Yeah. Look, what's that? We need to go back there and check Alexander. Ayan, dito sila, oh. Diyan yung contractor namin dati office. Ngayon hindi ko alam kung open pa ba sila or not kasi wala naman kaming new update sa kanila. But the most important is we're very happy na bininta ng landowner sa amin yung lupa kung saan nakatirik yung ating pinapatayo na Dudkoski Resort. And that's the most important. We're still blessed though, despite of the situation that we've been going through. We will get through with this. Manang ginaingon nga lesson learned na lang dyan. It's our experience will teach us the right way, and it makes us stronger and next time we will do better. Yeah. At nakaka din, like, alam mo yon, yung problema nakaka-mature. Like, yung dati kanang sige ra kag tingsi karon, wala na, murag dili na nimo feel. Hindi mo na feel na ngumiti. Iba na talaga yung feeling. So, malapit na tayo sa site, guys. See you guys later. Mag-prepare muna ako para bababa. So, guys, aray ko, Charlie. Go. Hello, Charlie. Aray! Sige, Charlie. Ayan na, guys. Ito na yung ating apartment. But, dito ay nag-stop na sila dahil nga magbabuhos na nga daw sila ng semento. Mag-flooring na kami supposed to be. Kaya nga lang, natapos nila mga around, 1 PM. So, nag-stop sila dito kasi sabi nga nila, sabi ni Foreman is, kailangan, whole day dapat to, like, kuan gani guys, like, iusara, like, kanang mahumantanan ba, para mahumantanan in 1 day. Hindi daw pwede putol-putulin, kaya ganyan yung ginawa nila. Nag-stop muna sila dito, at dahil alam nyo naman yung apartment, no, is yan siya, like, kanang matagal na yan nilang ginawa, but mga 3 months na ata yan, hindi nila binuhusan sa second floor. So, gabok na siya, like, na-rotten na ganyan mga plywood and woods and everything that needs to be fixed. Pinaano na lang ni Foreman. What do you call with that? Pina-remove sa kanila. Dahil wala naman silang gagawin dito for now. Kasi mag-alas 2 na. So, meron pa naman silang 3 hours, but hindi daw makaya ngayon. So, bukas na nga lang daw. But anyways, ito yung ating hollow blocks. I think this one is enough for the gym. Andito pala. Hi, neighbor! What are you doing here?
Sit in the shade.
Oh,
Where's my cup?
relax.
Where's my cup?
There, leave it here.
Why?
Because you didn't tell me to bring it here.
Give me cup.
Wow, sana all.
Right. Go get it yourself, Mike.
Yeah. And we have another one here. Na talagang si Miho, marang. Oh. Ayan na guys. Oh, marami na tayong mga improvement. Ang bilis lang, 'di ba? Look. For buhos na lang 'to siya. Bubuhusan bukas. Ay, ilan sila doon? Nagtarasan-tarasan sila doon, guys. Look at that. Nagtarasan-tarasan sila lahat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 ata yung sila nagtarasan-tarasan. All in all, kay 30 na ito sila dito. Ayun, iba nandito. And hindi pa namin pinatouch yung bahay kasi pinauna pa namin tong gym. Nandito si Nicolai. Hello guys, today is how many days? How many days today? How many days today?
Day number 7 today.
Day number 7. Why are you so happy?
ATM empty.
Yeah.
Look. Oh.
Don't keep on showing that. Do you know that Filipino don't believe you that you're empty?
I get credit.
You are happy.
Loan. You know what is loan? Credit?
Yeah, I know. But they will not believe you because they think that you are a walking ATM and you are...
Because I have white skin. Look, my white skin, it's finished 1 month ago. This is my skin. What is
Now
better,
you're brown.
this or that? I have
first.
white here.
Oh, wow. That's all.
Oh, how
So
you like
guys,
it, my gym floor?
So this is Miho gym floor. Look at here. Ayan na yung floor ni Tata guys. Ang bilis, di ba? Ikapitong araw pa lang nito. Simula nung iniwan kami ng construction at nag-start kami. This is our 7th day. Ang bilis nilang mag-work. Dito yung mga pang wall ng gym. Kasi inuna namin yung gym guys. Dahil nga, di ba? Meron tayong paparating na mga gym equipment. Dili na mo mag-need og balas dong. Dili na mo magkinahanglan og balas.
Kinahanglan na po niya kung magkuhan sitting.
Wala ka ulan no. Mag-setting na po.
Oh.
Mata na yung foreman. Kano sa mo order ba?
Wala na, sitting na po niya kinahanglan.
How many days?
How many days today?
Yeah, we
Day
start
number 8.
day number 8. So yesterday I
8 or
don't
9?
record since I'm too busy going around.
8.
So today is 8th day guys. Andito na kami again sa mostly sa when we started this construction after the Orange Kite group left us.
It's 15. January 15.
January 15 and
Wednesday.
January what? 24.
So it's 9 days today.
Really?
Yep. Sunday is not included.
Very fast.
9 days?
Yesterday we don't count.
So 9 days. I thought it's still 8 days. So, ito yung pinauna namin. As always, dito tayo sa gym. Ngayon is, mag-ano na sila buhos na sila ngayon. Gumawa sila ng mga, anong tawag niyan? Form? Form 1 to 7. 137, I mean. By Teacher Agnes. And then, of course, dito din, nagsimula na sila sa selling. Sa kabila, I think hindi nila yan matatapos today. I'm not sure.
I will be like angry and I will post them.
What are you guys talking about? Good morning. This is Darlene, your construction lady. Here's my bodyguard, Monty. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? How are you? Why you're here in the construction site?
Because I go swimming later.
You're going to observe, so you will work soon? Just like what they do?
Yeah.
Okay. This is our update. It's January. No, it's February 3. February 3. It's our new update. Okay. Charlie is here. So, gumagawa na sila ng beam, guys. Didi is there, yung naka-green. Green yung piniprepare nila para sa para sa roof. Kasi yung roof natin is lalagyan natin ng yung second floor, lagyan natin ng steel deck. So, yung i-prepare nila is yung mga beam. Pagkatapos nito, pwede nang mag-order na. Ay! Charlie! So, ito pa yung update in this side. Ayan. Hindi pa masyadong tapos kasi nga kunti lang sila dito, mga 3 or 4 minsan. Hindi marami. Hindi mabilis yung dahil kunti lang yung manpower namin dito sa gym. Marami sila but like kanang divide ba? And this is our new foreman, Ramon. Electricians, yung aking kuya, si Kadong. And then yung kisami, almost na rin siya ma-finish. From there, Charlie, why all the time follow me? Oh my God, Charlie. And here's our electrical room. No, not really. Nandito yung mga breaker and everything. Tapos, wala dito na tapos. I think dito yung last. Kasi dito tapos na. And then, yeah. Yung hallway. Dito na. The Gmar is there. Tapos na rin dito. Meron na doon ipansin. Hi, kuya. Ha? Nagutom na si Don Mati. Are you hungry, love?
Yeah.
Hindi pa yan kasi breakfast. Gusto kong sumama. So, we'll continue tour you guys here. Hindi pa naman tapos, but anyways, at least meron tayong update, no? Kasi sabi niyo nga, nami-miss niyo na catch. So, dito yung materials natin. And then, dito sila nagpaputol ng mga ganito. Ano tawag yun? Steel bar. Diyan. And then, tour ko kayo sa storage room. Yung storage room na puno ng semento. Tsaka ito yung aming skim coat. No, it's not. It's not skim coat. It's premium jointing. It's like bulat. I don't forget. Ito yung skim coat. Nabili ko sa City Hardware. Then, yung mga tubo at mga pipes. Ito yung gypsum. Ayan, meron tayong sobra dahil nga papatapos na yung ating selling. Para siyang cement, pero plastic pala siya. Ay, plastic. Paper. Paper. So, nalagyan na din pala yung... Ha?
Nakuan pa sa... Pag naog siguro na sa puro click sa
Kala, nasira.
Sa kuan ni ma'am, sa pag naog na sa kuan, sa barko. Puro click pa sa pangaport.
Oh! Doon yung septic tank. Punta tayo mamaya doon. Sila ni tata yung nag-arrange. And then, yung mga para sa plumbing ng mga tubo, dito namin nilagay. Yung iba, kasi wala nang space doon sa storage room. And ito yung binigay ni Gerald. O, diba? Sana all. Binigyan kami ng grill para sa grill. Then, pinahiram niya kami ng guys, ng, ito? Drum. Gerald Plumbing. Plumbing? Plumber. Plumber. Then, nagagawa sila ng septic tank. Yan sila tatay. Yan na. Napaporma na yung mga tubo. Septic tank. Kalaw mo ba? Yan.
India.
Hello, Charlie. Where have you been? Ay! Now I'm dirty. Ew! Yuck! Charlie, stop jumping. Goodness, Charlie. Yeah? What's wrong with Charlie? What did he eat? I think Charlie ate chocolate. Hey! What are you eating, Charlie boy? Hmm? Hmm? You stop. Sit. Sit down. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit, sit. Sit, sit, sit. Nye! Naunsa ba ni siya? Pag abot niya, pwede niyang lukso-lukso, ipakaon na mag-chocolate. Don't climb there, you see? Oh, it's done in here. Look. They're then putting the skin color. Let me check. Oh, they're not really fully done. Well, about this also. Papiro de liha? For what? In here, I think it's done. Ayan, it's already done in here. And it's good. And this is the last one here. Last dito and then doon. Yes? Yes, okay. Come, come, come. Oh, go there. Come here. It's sharp, it's sharp. It is sharp. Don't step on that.